Hi, I am Insiali Jafri and I'm a second year medical student, and I just started my first community based organization which is called Rise Up Women. Here we'll work on educating women about their bodies and about women empowerment. Our YouTube channel will focus on issues such as women's health and women empowerment. I think women health is often neglected. It's usually overlooked, but it's very important to talk about it because women go through a lot of unique health conditions such as menstruation, pregnancy, menopause, and these topics are often stigmatized, and hence we don't have the correct information about them. So our channel will aim at breaking those barriers and about providing women with information which will help them to understand their bodies better. We will bring inspiring women on the channel to talk about their journeys and to talk about their experiences with life. We'll also talk about women, about the problems they face in their daily lives, and we'll try to solve these problems by finding solutions. We'll also talk to medical students and learn about the gender biases and problems in their profession. We'll also try to involve topics such as work-life balance, mental health, and stress management. We'll talk about the importance of education and about women in STEM. We'll also talk about better representation of women by including topics such as body positivity. We'll talk about women's health, and we'll talk about diseases and how to manage such conditions. We'll talk about diseases like cervical cancer, breast cancer, PCOS. Goal of our YouTube channel is to raise awareness and to help women understand their bodies better. We will also offer guidance on preventive care so that it helps in early diagnosis of diseases. We'll also talk about topics which are not talked about enough in the society. Women empowerment is about providing women with support and opportunities so that they can have equal resources as men. The fear of discrimination and bias and other gender-based biases. Women empowerment is about women standing in solidarity with other women and celebrating other women's successes. It's also about women standing up for the right cause and fighting for justice. I think my role model has to be my mother. She's always been helpful to other women, and I've seen that throughout my life, and I think that has really encouraged me to stand up for other women. So yeah, and I'll continue to do so. Another woman who has greatly inspired me is Malala Yousafzai. Her journey to rise up against fear and violence and to still help young girls and empower women through education is tremendous, and she has been resilient through it, and I really adore her for that. Another woman which I really think has been a great idol for me has to be Plestia. She's a Palestinian journalist. I think even after so much work done by many NGOs and by the government, it is still very hard to achieve for gender equality. Even unequal access to education is very prevalent in our society. Young girls are still not given the chance to study because of lack of resources and many other reasons. Even if they do get the education, there is still gender pay gap, which is in many professions. Harassment is an issue of concern because even after so many attempts and after so many cases which are of harassment, we still face harassment in our day-to-day lives, be it at workplace, at schools, at different institutions, anywhere. Where we live, in the world of social media, there are very unrealistic beauty standards which women have to deal with. Unfortunately, violence is still very prevalent in our society. There is no such thing as the right time to speak about women empowerment. Every time we speak about women empowerment is the right time. I think it's very important in today's world to speak about the topic.